Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should just launch the Gmail application, and after that we should tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see here that we are logged in Gmail account in Gmail app, and if you want to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should log out from Google account on our device. And to do that, we should click here to manage accounts on this device, select your account and click here remove account. After that, we should confirm our action by click here to remove account again and tap to OK. If you have any lock methods on your device, in my case this is pattern, you should draw the pattern or you should enter the password, for example. And now in Google account settings we can see that I just stay without any accounts here, so I log out from Google accounts from here. And now let's go back to the application, and in app we can also see that we stay that we are logged out from Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.